How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice, clean, all original panel 68 C10. It's had one repaint. It's factory color, orange and white two-tone. Super nice truck. Previous owners owned this truck 40 plus years. See the grills, trim, and the hood moldings, everything looks like the original, in excellent condition. Front bumper's been replaced. All the glass is in excellent condition. Truck's nice and straight down the sides. All the side trim looks like new. I mean, super nice truck. Got the factory type Chevy Rally 8-inch wheels on it. Just a very nice truck. Got the old school step bumper on it. It's got Reese hitch with tow package. It's got the brake controller, the old vintage brake controller, and trailer plug here in the back and bumper. All the trim is nice, tail lights. Got the rear sliding window. It's got the original 327. He did have it all rebuilt. Did aluminum intake on it, updated electronic ignition. It's got dealer installed AC in it. Blows ice cold. Got power brakes, power steering. You still see all the chalk marks on the firewall. It's all original paint on the firewall, and in the inner fenders here, it's all the original paint. Very nice. It was always garage kept the whole time he had it. I used to tow a camper with it back in the 80s, early 90s. Said nice gray interior. Got a full gauge package with tack. All the gauges work. Got seat belts for 3. It's got the 4-speed stick. It's got 12-bolt rear. It's got dual exhaust. He had inside the bed rhino line to match, which was a nice little touch. It's got a spare tire there. Got the nice stainless upper bed rails for protection. Got AM/FM cassette stereo. It's old audio box. It's ARA AC system. That was a dealer installed back in the day. We got the original Protecto plate, owner's manual, the stickers on the inside of the glove box. Again, it's a 327, 4-speed manual. I think purrs like a kitten. The nice thing about this truck is it just has not been all cut up and hacked up. It's just a very, very nice survivor type truck. Backup lights all work. Just a super, super nice truck there, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Tell you, it's a good looking C10 there. Have a great day, folks.